Dear civil engineers, this is Hedaetullah from School of Civil Engineering. I will copy that our beam to our that ground floor, that first floor or roof level. Okay, I'll copy that beam. So how will copy that? Simply press Ctrl, copy all of that element, and it's better if you press from here view, go to render view, and if you press the parts rendered, just see all of that member have been parts render, and here also click and also click here. Also you can press Ctrl 4 for it. Now click that beam, press Ctrl, click that on and that on. After that we have to copy it. Okay, so in which direction we'll copy actually? In which direction? So I will just go here, edit, okay, then a special copy, from here linear. So in DZ direction, how much we need? In DZ direction 10 feet. Okay, that means 120 feet. Then, and I'll click here copy. Just see our beam have been copied. Now I'll close it. And I'll click here. After that, if you need to change that beam or its property, just simply double click here, and from here you are able to change that. Okay, as previously have done it. Still stay connected till next video, and if you want to support us, then join as a member in our channel. So thank you very much.